One of the benefits of drone mapping is we can not only look at how the ecosystems change over time in terms of RGB imagery or the way that our eyes see things, but we can also look at how they change in their elevation. So here we see two data sets from Low Isles from the 31st of January in 2024, and then 6 months earlier in June of 2023. And you can probably see that these two data sets look quite a bit different in terms of the shape and size of the island. Now what I'd like to do is have a look at how they look when we consider a digital surface model. So if we turn off the ortho mosaic and turn on the digital surface model for both of these layers, we can see how things look different. So one of the things that makes it a little bit hard to actually quantify this difference is that we need to change the contrast to really make these features pop. So I'm going to go ahead and change the contrast of the digital surface model here first. And I'm going to do this so that I'm really going to emphasize features around the island as opposed to thinking about where the lighthouse is, for example, or the trees. So now you should be able to see really quite clearly where the outline of the island is. Let's go ahead and do the same thing for the later image here. So we pull this one up and look at the contrast. And don't worry about these numbers here because this later data set didn't use ground control points, so the actual values are not accurate values. So they haven't been corrected for the geo. So let's change that to around about there. And so now we see a good outline of the island there. So now we're really able to see the difference using the elevation data and how that changes over time.